Namaste, dear friends. I am Dr. Mahendra Sharma from Kerala Ayurveda Kendra, Jaipur. Today we will talk about some common health problems like neck pain and back pain. Neck pain and back pain can be muscular, can be because of spondylitic changes, can be because of herniation or protrusion of disc, it can be because of some injury, or there are many other reasons. First, we will talk about common cause for neck pain and back pain. The most common cause for this is wrong posture. While sitting, sleeping, and standing, many people they are not in correct posture that can create this problem. Second, in job also, like many people they are in job like teaching, or they work on laptop or desktop or jewelry making or designer. They have to sit long hours in same posture. That can also give this neck and back problem. Aging is a common factor for this. As person get old, their bones and cartilage get degenerated, and that can also give neck pain and back pain. Accident injury is also a major cause of this. Carrying weight, lifting weight also is a reason. Many people they carry heavy backpacks. Many youngsters they go to gym and lift weight in wrong posture. That can also create this problem. According to Ayurveda, if person is having constipation or indigestion, it can also create neck and back problem. In Ayurveda, our goal is swasthasya swasthya rakshanam aturyasya vikar prasmanam. Means we need to prevent health of healthy person, as well as we have to cure the problem of unhealthy person also. The first thing to be done is to take precautions. We will just talk about main precaution what we have to take to fight against neck pain and back pain. The first precaution is to be like if you are in job where you need to sit for long hours or stand for long hours. If you are standing for long hours, just sit after half an hour, 45 minutes, just sit for some time. If you are sitting for a long time, just stand up and walk around, stretch your neck, shoulder, arms, back. If you have work, you need to travel a lot. While traveling, stop your car, or if you are in train, just stand up, walk little and sit and stretch your neck and shoulder back. Second thing is to do exercises. Exercise has very big role in neck pain and back pain. You can do yoga, physiotherapy, or any small exercise to improve your stiffness from neck and back muscles. Then posture. Posture has to be correct. Many people nowadays sit and stand in wrong posture. Many they sleep also in wrong posture. The posture has to be corrected. Then we need to use proper chair or table while sitting in our office. While sleeping, we need to use proper pillow and mattress. That will be also help in neck pain and back pain. Avoid carrying heavy backpacks. If your job need to carry heavy backpacks, take all precaution. Use lumbar support or use some other alternate. If you are going to gym, use lumbar belt while lifting heavy weight. To have nutritious diet, you should have a diet full of calcium, protein to improve your muscles and bone capacity. According to Ayurveda, if you have gastric and constipation, person can get neck pain and back pain. So we should have light diet. We should eat early. This is the main things we can do to prevent neck pain and back pain. Then if person is getting neck pain and back pain after taking all these precautions also, then person should continue with all these things, and additionally they can go for either allopathy, Ayurveda, or homeopathy treatment. In Ayurveda we have two types of treatment for this. One is physical therapies like Panchkarma therapies, and second is medicines. Panchkarma therapy we do Abhyangam. Abhyangam is some oil massage with some specific oil which helps to nourishes the muscles, bones. It reduces inflammation. It improves circulation also. Then Second is Kativasti and Grivavasti. Griva means neck and Vasti means we make a dome with some material around cervical spine and we put some warm oil in that. Similarly, in Kativasti, we make a dome around lumbar region and we put some oil in that. Then there is a treatment called Pinda Svedan or Ella Kidi, Podi Kidi. In that we take some herbs or leaves in cotton cloth, we make a bundle. We heat that in some oil and we massage with that hot pouches on affected areas. Then there are some more therapies like Pidichil is there, Navrakidi is there, and there are some other therapies also we suggest. We give enemas, decoction enema or oil enema. But all these things has to be done under supervision of some Ayurvedic doctor and after consultation with some Ayurvedic doctor. Second option is Ayurveda medicines. In Ayurveda we have medicines like decoction, some tablet, capsule, oil application that can also help in this problem. And this medicines helps to reduce vata in body. This medicine helps to nourish the muscles and bone. It reduces inflammation and stiffness also. So friends, just take care of your neck pain, back pain, or if you don't have any problem, just do regular exercise. I will also suggest some exercise to improve neck and back problems. Like first you need to sit straight. Take your head down. Hold for 10 counts, 10 seconds. Then straight. Similarly, go up. Hold for 10 seconds. And then right. Turn right. Hold for 10 seconds. And then straight. Turn left. 10 counts. And then straight. Turn sides. Hold for 10 seconds. And then straight. Turn left. Hold for 10 seconds. And straight. Second exercise. Give pressure from your palm on your temple. You need to give opposite pressure from face and palm. Face should be straight. Remain straight. Then give palm pressure to backward side and forehead pressure to forward side. Similarly, head pressure backward side and palm pressure forward side. Then stretch your neck, shoulder muscles. Do shoulder rotation clockwise or anti-clockwise. These are the common exercise to prevent neck pain, back pain, and if you have neck pain, you can just start doing this exercise. If any exercise is giving you pain, then immediately stop that exercise or start exercise under supervision of some physiotherapist or some doctor only. Okay friends, take care, stay home, stay healthy.